Hi guys, welcome back to this Christmas vlog situation. I'm actually taking out my extensions at the moment. That's why my hair looks like this. Normally I get them taken out in the salon, cut down on time. I'm taking them out. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down and finish doing it. I look like I have such bad dark circles under my eye. I think it's the shadow. Maybe I do. I'm gonna go out and get a little bit of fresh air, go for a little walk. Patty's just finished work. I just feel like sorry, my battery died when I was in the middle of talking to you guys. Yes, so I'm gonna go out for a walk. I'm gonna put dinner on first. These are the bits that I use to take my hair extensions out. Obviously the hair extension remover. Then I use like a detangler just to get rid of like any little knots. And then I'll go wash my hair and shampoo, condition, the usual. And then use this to blow dry it. So that just kind of makes my hair real silky and soft. And then you need to use like a little comb just to get any little knots out, and then this to take the bonds out of your hair. But I'm just hoping that they come out easy enough. Yeah, I'm not getting my extensions this time back in, which is really weird because I haven't had like my hair without extensions in nearly 2 years. But I said I'd give my hair a break just till after Christmas anyway. I'll see how I go. It's just because I have my hair like tied up most of the time. It's not even down. I never style it anymore or anything like that. Only on like a rare occasion. So I'm just gonna get clip-ins for those rare occasions. I'm looking around here to see if there's anything else I wanted to talk to you guys about. I don't think so. I need to bring Roy wipes downstairs. We're all out of them for Noah. And I usually keep some downstairs and upstairs. You never know where you're gonna need them. Oh yeah, the other thing that I got, hang on, it arrived in the mail today, is the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow in Space Cowboy. And I've wanted this for years, and then it kind of like went away in popularity, and it's come back again big time on TikTok. So I'm gonna try it out because I never had it first time around. I think I've had the other one. Oh god, I can't think of the name, but Lithium I think it's called. I've had that one for years and years and years and always used it. But I think Space Cowboy came in like one of the first Urban Decay palettes, and then they reformulated it as like a moon dust shadow. But yeah, we'll try it out on TikTok. Maybe tomorrow I'll see what the story is. But yeah, let's get dinner on, sort out this hair and have a shower. No one needs a bath. Busy evening, like every evening. So I just made dinner. I made kung pao chicken with some rice. I just put some peppers in this and some cashew nuts as well. And Noah's gonna have some of this as well. He likes this. Well, I hope he eats it. He better. Yes, that's just what's on the menu for dinner tonight. I also put chili and garlic and ginger in this, just since I didn't mention. It's really easy and quick to make, and it's delish, even if I do say so myself. Patty has a trivia question for me from friends. Are you doing like a super fan question or just a regular one?
Warm you first.
Okay, do me a regular one.
What do Monica and Rachel do to get their apartment back from Joey and Shanna?
Kiss.
Maybe.
Is that the answer?
Mm.
Yeah. What's the super fan question then?
What is the name of the male nanny hired by Rachel to look after Emma?
Oh my god, I know it's Freddie Prinze Jr. Oh, I suck.
Have you watched Friends before?
Yeah, I have. I'm a super fan. I took out all my hair extensions, had a shower, washed my hair. My hair feels so short. I can't wait to get my roots done. I don't know what she's gonna do for me, because I obviously need like my hair styled and stuff. And I have all like the new-ish hair from, you know, after I had Noah and all my hair fell out. Like I have all like all these short little bits everywhere. It's just kind of crazy. Like my hair's so many different lengths. So I'll be interested to see what she is going to do for my hair. I'm really looking forward to just getting my highlights. I think I left like maybe 2 little bonds in my hair. I can feel one here and I can feel one when I was touching over there. So yeah, I just try and take them out. But anyway, that's what my hair is looking like, really short and kind of fine, because obviously I lost so much hair after I had Noah. It was crazy. Like you can see all those new bits there, like new hair growth bits, and all on this side too. Crazy. I lost an incredible amount of hair, and I remember at the time being like, oh, I didn't lose that much hair. But then after my hair started growing back, you could see all the little spiky bits, and now my hair is just kind of all over the place. So I need to give it a break just for a little while, because I mean, it's had hair extensions in it for the last 2 years non-stop with no break, and I normally do take a break every now and again, so I think this is gonna do my hair the world of good just to kind of keep them out for a while. It's getting late and it's time for Noah's bed, so I am going to put him to bed and I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. I look shattered. I haven't felt well the last few days, like 3 days maybe. I've just been sick, getting sick. I'm not really sure what the story is. I don't feel well. My migraines are kind of coming and going, even though I'm on medication for them. I lost my glasses then when I was on a night out, so my vision was really like impacted as well, but I'm not really sure like what it is. I'm just not really well at the moment, so I probably look like crap because I don't feel great, but sure, look, hey ho, life goes on. I am gonna put Noah to bed and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's so dark this morning. I'm going in to get my hair done really early and then I'm going into the office. My hair looks like rat's tails. I'm so excited to actually have it done. Like, it just looks awful. So she's probably gonna like chop loads of it off because it's so dead. I don't know what happened to it. Like, I've been taking good care of it. I don't know, maybe it's got to do with nutrition, or I don't know, maybe the products I've been using on it, but I haven't done anything different in the last like year or so. It's just kind of gone to rags. I'm not really sure what's wrong with it. I'm absolutely freezing and I'm in the house, so I reckon outside is just going to be Baltic. I'm wearing turtleneck and I don't normally wear them because I always feel like they choke me to death, but I just feel like today I need something like that. I have a package to return to ASOS today. My office is not far from where I get my hair done, so I'm just gonna head in there. I need to take my migraine medication actually right now before I forget. I have to take it twice a day, and you know, sometimes in the evening I'm like, oh my god, I never took it. So then I have to take it that evening and then like, well, like the afternoon and then like in the evening again. I don't know if that's like a bad thing, but I try and take it in the morning and the evening or right before I go to bed. So sometimes I only space it out like 4 hours if I don't think about it, otherwise I space it out like over 12 hours. But yeah, anyway, I'll take that now, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the hair salon. There's no point in talking to you now. Chat to you soon. Oh, I'm finally in town. I got a coffee. It is so cold. I can't feel my toes. Like, I swear my toes are gone so numb, and I have 2 pairs of socks on. Oh, and I shouldn't have worn ripped jeans. What an idiot. It's so freezing. On another note, isn't that tree gorgeous? So pretty. Oh, we're here. Thank God. So we have new short hair, and then I kind of went for like more of like a silvery color just to kind of keep it healthy. I didn't get as many like highlights, blonde bits as I normally do, just because I felt like my hair was snapping so much. So we decided to go with like more of like a light color, light blonde, that's not like bleach peroxide. I'm gonna get killed here on the road. Shouldn't be vlogging and talking. I'm really happy with it. It's short and I can clip in extensions if I ever so wish, but I think I'm just gonna keep it this length for a while. It's much more manageable and just easier to use, easier to style and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go into the office now, finish up my day, and then yeah, I'll talk to you guys later on. Oh, that was a long day in the office. I am so glad to be home, and now I'm going to light the fire, and then I'm gonna put Noah in the bath. He's not feeling the best today. He's a bit under the weather and he's got like a runny nose and stuff, so I think maybe like a warm bath and get his jammies on, keep him warm. Oh my god, it just went out. Oh my god, it went out again. Where the hell has Paddy hidden the fire lighter in here? Now, the fire is lit. You took your hat off, thank you. What are you trying to do? They're Mummy's glasses. You trying to put Mummy's glasses on? Very good. You got your wellies on? Well, we're going to get into the bath now. Yeah, I think we're going to get into the bath. You can take those wellies off. No, I like to put those wellies on all the time. Woohoo! Kick! Hooray! Kick! Kick! Woohoo! Bath time! Let's fill this up. Let's turn this on. Fill it all up. And I'll go get Noah. God, I can't believe how cold it's after getting just all of a sudden. Like last week it was really warm and this week it's just Baltic. Like the coldest I felt it in so long. The bath was nearly filled up. I love how quickly the water gets like pumped in here. It's just like filled in 2 seconds. It's amazing. That bath is not very fuzzy. I think I might need to put some more in. Oh, he's playing in the bath. He wouldn't sit down for ages. He kept saying, hot, hot. And it wasn't even hot. My Christmas party is next week and I have no idea what to wear to it because I haven't been to a Christmas party in so long. Like, I mean, years. And we're going to Electric Circus in Talbot Street. I've never been to it before. I think I've mentioned this before, but yeah, I've never been before. And I'm kind of excited to see what I'm excited to see what a Christmas party is like again. And I think like everybody's in the same boat. They haven't been to Christmas parties in years just because of COVID and everything. Are you singing? That's a lovely song. But yeah, I have no idea what to wear. I'm thinking like sequins, and then I'm like, maybe that's a bit OTT, and then I was thinking like leather pants and a cute top, boots. I just don't know. I do not know. And after being out last week with all my workmates, I feel like it's going to be kind of a wild night, so I'm going to have to like keep it tame for myself. I'm not going to... Do you want the duckies? Do you want Mama to get the duckies? Don't stand up, please. Hang on, I'll get the duckies for you. There we go. There's a family of ducks. Do you not have enough toys in the bath? Yeah, that's fine. Don't splash it in your eyes. Noah was to get his hair done today. Hair cut. But he's not well, so I didn't want to bring him into the hairdresser. So we cancelled the appointment first thing this morning when I knew he wasn't well. He's gonna have long hair for Christmas. No, you're splashing Mommy. It's going all over Mommy. He thinks this is hilarious. I'm just getting soaked here. I'm gonna finish this bath and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All out of our bath. I'm gonna get ya. I'm coming to get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I've gotten you. Oh, you're so cuddly and warm. Mommy's gonna get into the shower now to warm herself up. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Daddy's got you. I can actually sit down and chat with you guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic December. It's been so nice having like Christmas in our new house this year and just kind of enjoying all the things that we're doing for the first time. Obviously like our first Christmas tree and like first like fire and all those things. Like we are well and truly kind of settled in here. Obviously we still have a lot of stuff to furnish and I spoke to you guys about that in my last vlog. I still have a lot of renovation vlogs to go up, so I'm hoping that I can get them up pretty soon. I'm going to try my best to get them up like in December or in January. I'm not sure when they're going to go up, and I'm sure like people hate watching like outdated stuff, but like to me some of the stuff is only just like finished happening. So like the kitchen only went in not that long ago, so I will have those vlogs up soon. And yeah, obviously I can only put content out as quick as I can. I'm hosting Christmas this year, so I just really want to have a nice Christmas, that's all. We're going to see the wild lights on Monday, and I actually think that's the most excited I've ever been to do something, because Noah's fascinated with the lights, especially like the Christmas tree and stuff like that. So it will be great for him to see, you know, to see the expression on his face when he sees the Christmas lights and our wild lights for the first time. It's in the zoo, and I know that they have like different themes and stuff, and it's supposed to be just magical, and I cannot wait to experience it. Yes, Noah. Yes. Oh wow. Did you see the lights? Our neighbors have like really cool lights. You saw the lights? They've reindeers, yes, and Santa. Oh, you're so funny. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you. I really wish I knew what he was saying. It's like my biggest dream. Someday I will know what you're saying. They're Mommy's AirPods. Don't put them in your ear. Can I have that, please? No, don't put that in there. No, it's dangerous. Thank you. Can I have them? Thank you. You need to have like all eyes on kids at all times because they put things into their ears, up their nose, down their throat. It's not funny. He's actually laughing. It sounds like he's crying, but he's actually laughing at me. The Grinch is on yet again. Noah loves the Grinch, don't you, Noah?
This fella's gonna explode. Mr.
Who are you reading, Mr. Perfect?
What are these, Mr. Men books?
Oh, I love reading them to him. They're his favourite, aren't they, Noah? What one are you reading? You're reading Mr. Cheerful. Wow. Tell me the story. What happens? What happens in the story? Oh. Oh, that's a very nice story. Oh, look at him in bed. Mr. Cheerful's in bed. I bought these books for Noah before I even knew if Noah was a boy or a girl. I bought them for him when I found out I was pregnant.
You had these when you were younger.
Yeah, I have loads more upstairs, but I never had them ones, so I bought them for Noah when I found out I was pregnant. Not for me. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'll open that. Here. What is it? What is it? Do you want to rip this bit? Look, rip that. It's a Christmas card. Oh my god, our very first Christmas card. It's actually a lovely Christmas card. And behind there we have a present from Paddy's twin Shane and his partner Laura, and it's for Noah to leave out for Santa on Christmas Eve night, and it's so cute. So you put a little drink for Santa, and then you put a little snack for Santa. We're gonna make some cookies on Christmas Eve, and then obviously Rudolph gets a carrot or any of the other reindeer who wanted. So I think that's so cute. Santa will be really happy with those little things, and we'll have it forever and ever, and any other children that Paddy and I are blessed with will all use this as a tradition. I just think it's lovely to have, and yeah, I just think it's a really nice touch from Shane and Laura. Just having a cup of tea with some of my absolute favourite biscuits, the jam sandwich creams. Oh my god, they're the best ever. I think Noah wants to get in on them. Just finished my first Vlogmas video, and I'm gonna make it live I think first thing in the morning, because I just think that it's a bit late now. It's 10:05, but yeah, I'm gonna make this live in the morning, and then, well, I'm gonna schedule for the morning, and then I'm gonna start editing this vlog that you're watching now. Obviously Noah's in bed at this hour. He normally goes to bed around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and Paddy and I are just going to, I think, watch something like a movie or something, and I'm just gonna edit. So I'm gonna put something on that maybe we've already watched before, so I don't have to concentrate too much, or something like really lighthearted or like a comedy or something, and I'm gonna edit the vlog that you're watching. Why is this going blurry? This is very annoying. I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. I'm hoping that I can continue kind of like vlogging semi-daily or every few days anyway, so that there's some sort of vlogmas. But I hope you guys are enjoying whatever vlogmas I attempt to put up this year. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Night night.